Yo, what's up? Just kidding. I'm just tired of my intro. Anyway, just thought I'd try something new. But I have a fun nail tutorial for you guys today, this Paisley look, and it's featuring this gorgeous aqua polish by ZOYA. It's called Wednesday, and it's one of my spring favorites, and I'm doing this nail design with it today. I also paired it with this fun new polish from Glaze. It's from their Light Brights collection, and it's called Whip It Good. And I'll have a full review of this collection coming up. So I'll list down below my spring favorites video, and then look forward to the video featuring this polish where I do live swatches of the entire collection. I did 2 coats of ZOYA Wednesday on all my nails except for my ring finger, and then I think I did 3 thinner coats of this Whip It Good polish on my ring finger. Then a next important step, I applied 1 coat of HK Girl Fast Dry Top Coat on all my nails, and then I let that dry. Once I'm sure that is completely dry, I'm going to come in with my smallest dotting tool, and I'll have a link down below of all the supplies that I'm using, and just start off with this Paisley design. And I'm looking at a picture to make it a little easier, but I'm just going to make a curved line towards the base of my nail, and then do these little dots on the edge of the line. I'm just using white acrylic craft paint that you just get at a craft store, and it makes it a little easier to use. And then I'm just going to go back and fill that in once it's dried a little bit to make sure it's completely opaque. And then another curved line underneath that one. Now the next Paisley I'm doing will show the entire Paisley, so I'm going to do the little curved shape. Just make sure you fill it in completely and get the lines as smooth as you can get them. Now I'm cleaning my dotting tool off every once in a while just so that it doesn't get thick. Now I'm just going to do the outer edge of this shape. And as you can see, sometimes it's hard to get it completely straight, but you can go back with the darker polish and just fill in any areas that need a little more of the darker color showing through. And when you're finished with that, do the same thing, do these little dots just outside the line, all the way around to the other side. I sometimes forget too when you're using acrylic paint that you can get a toothpick and scrape off things too. So you don't have to paint over it, you can actually scrape it off. And I probably should have done that, but sometimes I forget. So that's another tip. And then on the other side, I'm just going to do one little part of a Paisley. So I'm going to fill in that corner there, and then do another line on the top with some color separating them, and then the dots on the outer edge as well. And then I added more dots in the negative space in between just to add a little more interest. And now I'm going to come back in with my green polish, and I'm going to fill in any gaps that need it and smooth out any lines. Then finish off this Paisley doing the center little Paisley design in the middle, and then the one on the edge. And then I decided to add these green aqua dots in the center of this Paisley. And that's it. Just make sure your design is completely dry before you add your fast dry top coat. And just add that. I'm using HK Girl by Glisten & Glow. It's the one I use all the time, and I'll have a link down to that below. But that's the final look. I hope you guys like this. Give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't. Thanks. Bye.